I'm inspired to create this piece at a time when many might call it irresponsibly incorrect. Our water is a metaphor for the depths of our true emotional nature, where we are already at peace. It is within our emotional waters that we find our power of knowing by tapping into our sensory senses. The mind, on the other hand, fights to stay in power and likes to stay close to shore in the turbulent, frothy fringe of victim and distraction, producing non-coherence, or in other words, no way out. The feeling of no way out is produced by a mind looping in fear or worry and has become a dominant habit. At the same time, the uncontrolled thought produces a chemical in the brain that enables the body to feel what the mind is thinking. Peace comes from breaking the pattern by releasing new uplifting chemicals into your blood from uplifting thoughts instead. You are the one who has to choose because you are the creator of your own reality. Coherence is unified thought, feeling, and action, and creates an aura of peace around the body, which informs the world of who you are now, while also providing a buffer from the toxic distraction that no longer influences you. From your inner peace, you now influence the world versus the world influencing you. In this way, the arrows represent your clear and direct thought intention and fly high above the water and over vast distances to hit the target of your desire.